Bilis ha. I will close my eyes. I will count 1 to 10, okay? 1.
11 naman ha.
Sige. Tingnan natin hanggang kailan kasi kanina 29 ka eh. Hindi pa umabot ng 30 eh.
30, 10. Diba?
2,
4,
3,
4,
4.
Dalawa.
Easy na. Hello guys, so we are making assignments. So count first. Is it
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it equal or not?
Equal.
Equal, very good. Oh, color na. Color na tanan lahat. Okay, next. Next, baba. What is that? Is it a spider?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
Is it equal or not?
Not equal.
Not equal.
Pagkatapos dito naman, diba?
Hindi, tapos na yan na. May ano ka na, good job.
Dito ba?
Opo, binigyan ka na ni teacher ng good job dyan. Okay.
Kala ko.
Bili pa na tayo ko yun.
J sounds J, 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 J. K sounds K, 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 K. L sounds M sounds E sounds
What's this? What is? Huh?
E.
What's this?
N.
And then?
N sounds B sounds B, 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 B.
Okay, thank you.
N.
Huh? What is this letter? What is this letter? What is the sound of letter J? J, 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 J.
Gugi, gugi, gaga, gaga.
Red, red, anak. Uy, hindi ka